How to clear Chrome browser's cache in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can clear out or delete the cache of your Chrome browser. So in order to start, first navigate towards the Chrome icon, and once you see the Chrome browser icon, simply tap and hold to the icon and you will see this option that says app info. So simply click onto app info and it will lead you to the mobile settings. Now in here you can see this storage usage, so simply click onto storage usage, and under the storage usage you will have two options. The first one is clear data and the second one is to clear cache. Make sure that you clear the cache by clicking onto this option, and now you can see that the cache has been successfully cleared for Google Chrome. Now once this is done, you can restart your browser and enjoy a cache free browsing experience. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.